Here's our showroom. These machines ready to delivery. This is a heavy-duty hardwood chipper with an output of 46 th. The machine can run stably for 24 hours. You can send us your raw materials pictures. We will recommend the suitable model for you. This is a crusher specially designed for high humidity materials. Even if your material has high moisture content, it still maintains high output and high efficiency. It operates continuously unstably, and the screen can be customized to meet your needs.